If you want to turn off notifications on your Windows desktop, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. Turning off notifications can help reduce distractions while you are working, studying, or using your PC. So let's get started. If this video helps you turn off notifications on your desktop, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open the Settings app on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then selecting Settings. Now, from the Settings window, click on System. Next, select Notifications. Here, you will see different notification settings for your Windows PC. Now, find the Notifications option at the top. To turn off all notifications, simply switch the notifications toggle to off. If you only want to turn off notifications from a specific app, scroll down and find the app in the list. Now, turn off the notification option for that particular app. You can also customize which apps are allowed to send notifications without turning off all notifications. Once you make the changes, Windows will stop showing the notifications you selected.